I want to show you how you can write a story starting with a group of pictures. You might want to use this if you were setting up for a student to write a story, but you put the pictures in first. So every page the pictures would be loaded and they just need to write the text. So let me show you how you do it. If you click on New Story, and this time go to From Pictures. Click on that. So here we go. We've got our first page of our story and we're going to add a picture. These pictures are in the file and I am going to pick this one here. And here it is. You can always crop the picture if you want, but it doesn't need it. I'll just save it. I'm going to call it a hut. There we go. Hit the tick button. And then I'm going to add another page. Page 2. Let's add the picture from the file or from the camera, but you can grab it from anywhere. And I'm going to take this one. And here it comes. And I might crop it this time. So we'll crop our picture. There we go. And hit the crop button. And then save. And I'll call it Tramper. Hit the tick button. That's page 2. Let's do another page. We'll add the picture from the file or camera. I'm going to take this one. Here it comes. And we'll just save it. We'll call it Mountain. And there we go. We've got 3. We'll do one more page. Add a page. Take it from the file or camera and we'll take this one. Here it is. All these pictures have actually been taken from the Milford track in Fiordland, New Zealand. So we'll click on Save and I'll call it River. Here we go. Hit the tick button. And now we've got our 4 pages. So once you've got your pages in, then just hit the tick button. And now you can start writing your text. So we'll write, I walked to the hut. And then that's page 1. Then hit the plus new button at the top. Now we're on page 2. It's automatically brought that picture for page 2. It's automatically showing it. So I carried a heavy pack. Here we go. We've done page 2. Plus new. I walked up a mountain pass. There's our page 3. Now we'll add one more. I saw a wonderful river. And so we've written our book. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. Hit the next button and finish and save. So we have made a story straight from a set of pictures. I'll click on it. We'll have a quick listen.
I walked to the hut.
Go to the next page.
I carried a heavy pack.
Go to the next page.
I walked up a mountain pass.
Go to the next page.
I saw a wonderful river.
And we're done.
I saw a